All right, today's date is January the 11th, 2022. The approximate time is 9:45 to 10 a.m. I'm here with the contractor to attempt a repair on 10028 is the building number. It's near the corner of Blakeney Preserve and across the street from the pool house, just for reference. All right, could you please state your name and who you work with and spell your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Alvaro, spelled Alvaro, and I work for Webcrafted.
And how many years of experience do you have in roofing?
Around 20 years.
Approximately 20 years. Okay, thank you. And today what we are going to do is attempt a repair per the insurance carrier's request, correct?
Correct.
Awesome, thank you. All right, Al, appreciate you meeting me out here today. I was just curious, based upon your experience and knowledge, is the exact same shingle available?
No.
Question 2 is, when you do the spot repairs per the insurance's request, will there be a uniform appearance across the roof?
No, sir.
Thank you. All right, so we are attempting a repair. Now, as you carefully remove this shingle, is it possible to remove and replace this shingle without causing any damage whatsoever to the surrounding shingles?
No, no way.
If you could just pause for one moment, I just want to notate that granules are coming loose every single time we're attempting to do the repair. Approximately how many nails did you have to remove?
Around 4 or 5 nails per shingle.
Okay.
But I had to, yeah.
Okay. Additional question. To create a non-permeable, permeable is the question I want to ask, substrate underneath, is it possible to warranty this roof since the tar paper has been tampered with?
No.
So we have removed a shingle, and as you can see the condition of the tar paper beneath it, there are multiple holes left here. The question is, Al, to do a spot repair, would it be possible to leave the tar paper without any holes in it whatsoever?
No, there's still going to be holes in the fill.
Okay. The second additional question to follow up with that, would it be fair to assume, or would you recommend, or if the plywood underneath has additional holes in it, would that weaken the condition? And if yes, would we need to remove any of the plywood?
Yes. would be holes in the plywood, so it'll be good to replace it.
Okay. So Al, there were temporary pieces of tarp on the roof. When you removed those to complete the repairs to this roof, was any further collateral damage done to the surrounding shingles that were undamaged?
Yes, sir. Make me feel like I can get it out.
I'm just curious, was this shingle damaged as a result of replacing the wind damaged shingle
Yes.
and or the hail damaged shingle?
Yes, sir.
All right, new shingle being installed. Were any of the seals that are required for shingles to permanently attach to each other, were any of the seals broken today?
Yes.
Is it possible to complete a repair without breaking any of the seals?
No, sir.
Going again. Could you please explain?
You left nails for the old, when you remove the old nails.
There's still holes there, correct?
Yes, sir.